Joining us to talk about it all, WisdomTree Director of Research, Jeremy Schwartz, and former Richmond Fed Senior Economist and Jefferies Chief Financial Economist. You must have a huge business card, Ward McCarthy. Ward, let me begin with you. What was your take on this jobs report? Okay, you know, low unemployment rate, but a lot of people have either dropped out or taken a part-time job.
Well, overall, the data was pretty good from the standpoint that it indicated that the labor market continues to move towards full employment, which, of course, is the Fed's objective. And you're right, it was mixed. There were some things that were underneath the hood that were not as impressive as the drop in the unemployment rate, for example. And also, we had a decline in average hourly earnings. But when you put the whole package together, it still says we're headed in the right direction, and that we'll continue to head in the right direction, not only in the last month of 2016, but in 2017 as well. And if President-elect Trump gets his way on some of his stimulus packages, then I think that will help the part of the labor force, which is semi-skilled and unskilled labor, that still is a long way to go before being fully employed.
Jeremy, let me bring you in on the market side of this equation. Look, the Trump rally continues on. We're off just a little bit today, but up massively since he won the election. This obviously, I think, makes the Fed interest rate hike later this month even more likely, but will the market take that in stride?
I mean, what's amazing is really how the market has moved on the interest rate side. You've seen a huge shoot up in the long interest rates, even more than people are expecting the short-term interest rate to move. So you've had this huge dispersion in market forces in terms of what's done well with rising rates. So you've seen financials do well, you've seen small caps do well, cyclical stocks do well. Large caps, you know, they're up, but they're certainly up a lot less than mid and small caps, which are more sensitive to the U.S. economy. You've seen the dollar do very well, which has hurt some international exposures, emerging market exposures, but has really helped Japan as sort of a standout country that benefits from U.S. growth and a rising dollar. So, you know, if you do believe the U.S. is continuing to improve, very positive policies or growth, I think you look at things like small caps in Japan.
Gentlemen, we are already out of time. Thank you so much, Jeremy Schwartz and Ward McCarthy.